back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Nintendo 3DS. Yeah. Do I unbox it now? Okay, so I'm gonna unbox the 3DS. This is a brand it's the old new 3DS red version. Flame red, so it's in this giant box. We're gonna open it. Then there's the instruction manual, very useful. And then, yeah,
Club Nintendo, which is gone.
There's some free Club Nintendo points. And here's this, and this, and another one. So here's the 3DS itself, but we're not gonna look at that right now. Let's get all the accessories out first. Look at the accessories first and move that to the side. So we got this really high quality power
2DS AC adapter.
A 2DS AC adapter, which also works for the new 3DS and the new 2DS and the DSi and the DSi XL. It's very useful, and here's a comparison of the 3DS and whatever, the 2DS.
You're holding the 2DS.
This is the 2DS one. The yellow one was the 3DS one. So yeah, and here is the whatever.
Charging station, I guess.
Yeah, charging station. So let's just move all this garbage aside. And then now here's the 3DS.
Broken foam packaging.
Broken foam packaging. And here's the sticker that we got from that place. Yeah, here it is. Brand new. So yeah, here's the 3DS. And I'm gonna power it on, see if it has any battery. Oh, it has battery. Wow, it works.
And a game.
Oh, there's a game in it? Oh, there's Super Smash Bros. Got Super Smash Bros.
Copyrights.
Nintendo copyrights. Actually, Sega copyrights. Okay, so that works, and we're gonna set that aside. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And also comment hashtag notification squad. And don't forget to leave a like. Bye.